No huilado. 1 foot, right foot forward, down to 1 knee, 2 knees, big smiles, and no ho. Ai he mele no puikino. Loud voices now. Ku'upo'o. Ku'upo'o. Ihu. Alelo. Lima, I can't hear you. Ulima ako. Ku'u. Po'o. Louder, louder. Ihu. Alelo. Lima. Ku'u lima ako. Ku'u lima hema ku'u. Ku'u po'o hivi. Last time, really loud. Ku'u po'o. Ihu. Lima. Kulima ako. Kulima. Walava. Walava. Ea. Ea. He nani no ku'ukino. Okay, hands into your chest. Okay, relax them onto your uha. Big smiles. Keep smiling now. What's our next melee? What's our next melee? Pi'apa. What does pi'apa mean? It's our alphabet, our Hawaiian alphabet. Okay? I'm stuck. There we go. Okay, now you have to sing louder than Anake Mapu, okay? Got it? And smile bigger too. Here we go. Ho'omako ko.